Fuck yeah.
What's going on?
Shootout 2018.
Well, good morning. How you doing?
Fine. Anytime we get together, the Hui gets together, I get to see all my friends, all the families, everybody. We just want to welcome everybody to the Hui Backdoor Shootout 2018. Aloha.
Big waves coming, big waves coming.
Aloha, everybody! Yeah! Woo! Hi, Uncle. Aloha.
Hi, this girl.
How you? Brings you here today?
This is our family. We fought hard for this from the beginning to now. All I can say is the Hui Ohe'enalu Triple Crown of Surfing in memory of Duke Kahanamoku is way more important than the WSL. This is our community. This is our family. This is our love. We need to bring it back to the people of Hawaii.
All right, Uncle, getting ready.
Yes.
Keaulana, Keaulana, Horono da Vada, Horono da Makali, Horono da Moana, Horono da Tato Paoro, Poma Taino Tato Paoro no Kuahana, Mahara Nui, Ahana Keaulana, Mahara Nui no Horana, Horanto Hopsorea, Horano Tato Paoro, Mia Paoro, Hana da Vada, Mahara no Kuahana, Poma Tayana, Kuahana Nai, Mahara Nui, Mahara Nui, Mahara Nui, Mahara Nui, Kuahana Keaulana. Ito po may kayana, po may kayana, po may kayana po ana, po may kayana po Pablo. Pablo, Arunui, po Arunui, daw po ana.
What a treat. And thank you for the guys dancing and singing, doing the oles, the haka. Unbelievable. This is in memory of Duke Kahanamoku. We were told that we couldn't use the name anymore. Said we can't use it. Well, guess what? We're using it. Too bad.
Ava tupuna, ava opio, ava akua. Kia kakaoko, ka iyo, ka mako, essence for you, substance for us.
A lot of it is everyone like talk, but you have to live, you have to perpetuate, you have to carry on for future generations, and it's so important for our keiki to learn how to just be on their own aina.
It's just really, really good to have everybody here together as Hawaiians.